Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video, I'll teach you how to create AI generated presentations with Canva. So first of all, we are here in your home page. We go to presentation and here we just go to your templates. Here we can see that there is an AI here. So just press presentation. So let's say create me a 10-page presentation on why on the best tourist spots in Japan. Just we can press search here for different types of presentation. But if you want this title, just press generate. So Canva will generate the presentations for you. So we're gonna wait for like a minute, maybe 45 seconds to a minute before Canva finalizes this presentation. So there we go. It says that your Japan travel guide. Just press here, check, apply 10 pages. So here we can see here, we can just maybe adjust this so it looks way better. There we go. Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Fushi, Kinagachu, Mount Fuji. Here we can see that the AI just made this one in just seconds to a minute. So imagine how fast AI did this. Then just to share this, press download and press download PDF standard or PPTX for a PowerPoint presentation. So once again, that's how easy it is to create a presentation with the use of Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come.